YouTubers, this is a super quick meal, beer brats and corn and some broccoli. That's going to be it. You know, it's pretty simple to cook brats on a grill. Not difficult at all. And there's going to be burgers too. Hope you enjoy. Fly over. The corn is cooling. The corn's too hot to eat right now. Brats and broccoli with lemon. Those beer brats are pretty good. Pretty darn good. Walmart, I don't remember the brand. I threw the package away. Sometimes it's just broccoli, brats, and corn. And I found at Walmart Sam's Choice creamy garlic parmesan dressing, and it works on this too. Turned a couple other people onto it. Confirmed I was not crazy that it really works on corn. Alright, people are always saying my cutting board moving. This is a piece of non-slip. I use this sometimes. Put it on the cutting board and now it won't move. It doesn't bother me when it moves, but it bothers other people. Time lapse. Alright, that's all the potatoes I need. Foil. Potatoes. Just gonna be, well, I got some onion. Let me use up some onion. Alright, non-slip, everybody's happy. Olive oil. Creole seasoning. I'm nothing if not predictable, I guess. Fold the foil pack. Fold the foil pack. Fold the foil pack. And that is done. Alright. Now it's burger time. I'm using a plastic bag. A Ziploc. I've been kind of off of them for a while, but a little bit of garlic powder. I'll go with Montreal steak this time. Sriracha. Mix it up a little bit. A little bit more Montreal steak. A bit more mixing. I'm going to try to make third pound burgers again. Wish me luck, not my strength. Cut the Ziploc open. Open this up. That way, getting all the use out of it. See how these look. Are they close? This one's a little big. It's a little small. Alright, clean my hands and hold on. We're going to stuff these burgers. I'm going to make them extra cheesy cheese burgers. Colby Jack. I have the stuff pressed with me, but I'm not going to use it. So one piece cheese. Open up this burger. Try to get it in the center. One piece is too much. Stuff it in the center of there. Make it a patty again. I have that other press too, and I had planned on using that, but now I think I'm just gonna make these by hand. Okay. 3/3 of a pound burgers. And they're, I think they're pretty close. Can use that and not make a mess. And now it's time to throw everything on the grill. The corn and the potatoes take longer. Burgers are prepped and more seasoning. Onto the grill. I still love my Charbroil grill to go. It gets smoky. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off. Get the other stuff ready. Alright, not sure that it's hot enough yet, but I can never wait. That's right. Cheesy cheese. Stuffed with cheese and a cheese hat to boot. You patient with it, Dan. Be patient with it. Wait for it. Not yet. Not yet. Getting there. Oh, we're about there. Yep. Under. Flip. Cheese hat. Unplug it. We'll go get a burger. Got a burger. Bam. Cheese hat. Alright, last piece of corn. And I got this creamy garlic parmesan. I shared some corn with a fellow camper. And I shared this creamy garlic sauce. And it was a huge hit. So we'll spin the corn in a little tray. Spreads easier. And the burger in the cheese hat needs a smiley face. Sriracha. Some hair. Flyover. Potatoes. Cheese-filled burger with a cheese hat. And awesome corn with garlic. Creamy garlic. Alright, first the corn, because it's awesome. I'm telling you. Wasn't just being nice, it's really good. Potatoes. Very good. With onion. Got some onion on that. The burger top on. Boom. Let's eat it. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the cheese inside it, and you can see the cheese hat. Oh man. That's cheese right above my thumb. Nice gooey cheese. Alright, YouTubers, hope you enjoyed. You can cook this stuff, it's pretty simple, and you'll have a great and wonderful day. Alright, second cheese hat is bubbling. This is just a cell phone, so I can't film it while I flip it. Cheese hat. Let it cool. Yum. Seriously, try a cheese hat. You will not regret it at all. Now, great and wonderful day.